Morning, about to take out an old gate post. There's the original. This one got snapped off and it's going to take a bit of digging.
10 minutes later.
Man in the ground. Dig, 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 dig. At the moment we're digging down about 3-4 inches at a time in the original hole. Bit by bit. Another about 12 inches to go. Lying down on the job again. Used to this he is. There we go. Post, old post coming out. Well, hopefully anyway. There it is. Put the bolts back on, or the hanging plates back in the same place. Pre-drill them. Right, there we are. That's the gate post back in. And then we've got some postcrete now to put it back in with. Post in, and then we'll just make good to all the reinstatement of the bricks. Pack it in nice and tight. That's it. Gates back on. All finished. All tidied up. Finished off all the gravel on the job right down through. A little piece of fence down the bottom. That's it. Job's done. Like and subscribe. Bald Man Can.